morning everyone, I'm Jason Trewin from iCar Australia. iCar Australia deliver post-trade training to the collision repair industry. This year we've opened one new training academy in Melbourne and are now opening a new facility also in Brisbane later on this year as well. Absolutely. For the last few years, obviously through COVID, we delivered an online training platform focusing on new technology around EVs or electric vehicles and ADAS in particular. As we move forward, we're still concentrating on our hands-on certifications also. So we need to make a happy balance between online delivery of the newest technology and our certification centres. Here we release over another 40 more courses every year. At the moment we have a course offering around 250 programs in total, and they range, like I said, everything from new technology as far as EVs and ADAS all the way through to new construction methods, joining techniques and anywhere in between. Certainly ADAS and EV are probably the two big changes from a technology point of view for a body technician. Certainly will be a challenge, but as we continue to educate everyone on what that looks like, I don't think there'll be too much for it.
Yeah, cool.
I think for us, the challenge for us is obviously listen to our customer about the delivery styles they want. So we can't lose touch with our customer by only delivering online. So we need to go to our customer base, see what works for them, and obviously change and adapt to suit that.
Yeah, cool.
I think every time we come to a CRE, there's always new and innovative things. I can't put my finger on one at this point. It's exciting just to be back and having face-to-face.